Welcome to AutoSens, the world's leading community for ADAS and autonomous vehicle technology development. We create best-in-class events, training, and information for the purpose of connecting the global community of scientists, engineers, and other automotive industry experts. Today, we are speaking with Sebastian Frisch, Product Manager of Automotive for ficonTEC. And Sebastian, welcome back to AutoSens. Good to see you again.
Thank you very much for having me. It's nice seeing you too.
Sebastian, can you tell us a little bit more about ficonTEC? Give us an introduction and tell us about some of the work you're doing in automotive.
Sure. So ficonTEC was founded in 2001 and is headquartered here in Aachen, which is near Bremen here in Germany. And ficonTEC itself is recognized as a market leader for automated assembly and testing systems for photonic components, devices, and photonics integrated circuits. Now here in Aachen, we also have quite a large R&D department, which we're quite fond of and actually proud of. So, and here we develop our capabilities and assembly technologies for serving a broad selection of industry segments, which includes telecom, datacom, high power diode laser assembly, for example, AR, VR, but also camera and LiDAR or lighting, assembly and testing solutions. And this is actually the department I work at. So I joined ficonTEC about a year ago. And so I help customers develop concepts as in the product they want to build, scale it up from lab equipment all the way to high volume, and help them develop the machines that do that for them in the future.
Sebastian, with all of that said, and exciting, by the way, very cool. And with all of that said, what differentiates ficonTEC from some of your competitors in the market?
Yeah, so we here at ficonTEC are very proud of our modular and scalable design approach to any problem a customer would approach us with, whether it's a new market introduction of a new product. Our modular and scalable architecture allows for a development from very early on, so during prototyping phase. We can do lab setups, very small, maybe build a setup that can produce 10 parts a day or so. And then we can scale it up from there using the very same platform to add more functionality, decrease the cycle time, whichever we look at, and then scale this all the way up to high volume production. And especially in the automotive industry, this is what we're looking at. So very low cycle time, very low downtime, and a very tough environment, you could say as well. But this very modular approach, it allows us to quickly react to new requirements and also develop our machines within the short lead times that we get. So.
Sebastian, you've mentioned this modular design approach and how you're proud of it as a company, and rightfully so. With that said, Sebastian, let's talk about some of the successes that you've had in the automotive industry.
Yeah, so globally, ficonTEC has installed more than 1,200 systems worldwide, ranging from standalone systems to production lines. And especially in automotive, we're looking at a track record of about 20 volume production lines, which have been offered as turnkey solutions. And actually right now, we're building one right here in Aachen, as we've had many visitors, with a low cycle time of 8 seconds, for example. So
Sebastian,
that's very exciting.
That is very exciting. And Sebastian, we will get a glimpse of this real soon for our AutoSense and in-cabin co-located events, the 2024 event at the Huntington Place in downtown Detroit. So, as you get ready to come here to Detroit, Sebastian, what are some of the things that we'll be able to see? What are you looking forward to being part of the event?
Meeting people at AutoSens. So, by the way, this is my fourth time at AutoSens and third time speaking, actually. So, um, I always like to come to AutoSens because it allows me to meet like-minded people, and I think we all share the global vision of, enabling vehicles full autonomy, at least at some point, and we all like to develop the sensors and everything that goes with it along the way. And so that's very interesting to me. And what I want to show the people I meet at AutoSense is what we do. So, and especially in regards to the automotive business, which I'm part of, we want to show the capabilities as in the assembly solutions and testing solutions that we have, going from lab production equipment all the way to high volume production. And especially so for automotive cameras, customers doing cameras, this is important if you're doing it in the visual range, the infrared range, also thermal cameras.
We've been speaking with Sebastian Frisch, product manager of automotive for ficonTEC, longtime member of the AutoSense family. Sebastian, great to get caught up with you again. Thank you for sharing your expertise and your thought leadership. Of course, I look forward to seeing you in Detroit. And let's sit for an interview like this again sometime sooner, hopefully, rather than later. But in the meantime, thank you for being with us.
Cool, thank you. Very much looking forward to the event.
For more information on ficonTEC and to find out more about our upcoming events, see the links in the description or visit auto-sense.com. That's auto-sense.com. For more interviews like this, subscribe to the AutoSense YouTube channel and follow AutoSense on LinkedIn. In Detroit, on behalf of AutoSense, I'm Carl Anthony.